Guys, I'm Yash Saxena from TechLate, and today I'm going to show you how to download the hacked version of Subway Surfers. So if you have any older version of Subway Surfers or any original version, please delete that version first. As I have deleted already, I don't have that version. You can also see. So today I will show you how to the download hacked version of Subway Surfers. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. If you will open Google or some any other browser, type URL, type Subway Surfers mode apt. It will show you many websites. Click on the first website where it is written android1.com, and then it will show you a type of this website. I'm just converting it to English. Yes, I have converted it. When you will scroll down from here, you will get a download button, download Subway Surfers. Just click on that button and it will show you a countdown. Wait for that countdown. Now it will show you download. Click on the download button. Download. So now it is downloading. I will just show you. Just wait for it. So now it is downloaded. Now we shall install it. Click on that download. It will show you a type of this, and if it does not show, you have to go to settings, security, and you have to enable that enable that option, unknown sources, download from unknown sources. There will be option. So I have enabled it so I can see this. So now click on install. It is installing. Just a minute, I will go. So guys, now the app is installed. Open it. So now this is the hacked version of Subway Surfers World Tour Cairo. Now you will see there will be unlimited coins and unlocked characters. It's just loading as it is the first install, first open. Now the code is 0, it will ask you. Now just play like this. Okay, so right now as you will see, there are unlimited coins and unlimited keys. And when I will go to home shop, you will see that there are unlimited, and you can buy many hex cards, score boosters, skip missions, and many more things. And you will also see that all characters are unlocked. So I would select this. It is unlocked. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe TechLate.